In this video, you will learn how to introduce two columns in your Word's content. For that, let's open any Words file with the content. And now you have to select the text, means you have to highlight the portion of the document where you want to introduce the two columns. Let's suppose I want to introduce two columns in this first paragraph. So I will select the whole para and we'll go to the Layout tab. I will simply click on it. Now you can see the page setup section where you have four options: margins, orientation, size, and columns. From these you have to select the columns and then two, since I'm aiming to introduce just two columns. Okay, now you can also adjust the column spacing. That is optional, means whenever you want to customize spacing, you just click the these more options. You can even set the margins. For now it has been set to the normal standard conditions. Then you have orientations as well, where you can change it to the landscape. Then size of the paper accordingly, means according to your format you have to set here. You can also introduce the spacing, the two columns, in all over your content. Simply repeat the procedure. Click the layout. From the page setup section, click columns and again two. This method works well for articles, reports, and formatting lists in a structured way. So let me know if you need extra formatting tips.